Welcome to ZS Robotics.
Hello, this is Tanner Tech, and today we're going to show you how our Rube Goldberg machine works. You can see the video of the full thing in the next video. So, our Rube Goldberg machine starts with this alarm clock. When this alarm clock turns on, it activates this audio-activated relay circuit with one transistor and one relay. This circuit activates this plug that activates the Jacob's ladder. The Jacob's ladder, which is my high voltage power supply from a previous video, catches this piece of paper on fire. When the pieces of paper catches on fire, it falls off this metal rod and pulls this wire off right here. When the wire falls off, this motor up here turns off. The wire had a current flowing through it that made this motor stay on. So when the motor turns off, it opens and the marble falls down and into the bucket. After the marble falls into the bucket, it pulls this teeter-totter sort of thing, which pulls this suction cup that's covering a hole inside this bucket. When the suction cup is pulled, it lets water flow into this tub, which has two wires inside it. The tub with the two wires is connected to the same circuit board. After the water poured into the bucket activates the second transistor circuit, turns on another relay, and activates this fan right here. This fan starts blowing, and it blows a marble down a track.
So once the fan turns on, the paper is getting blown away from the fan, so then once this is allowed to go, I'm going to stop that just so it doesn't knock that down. And then that goes down the track, and it comes over to the dominoes, which causes the domino effect. And once the domino effect goes through, it will allow this to go. So once the lever is pulled through the domino effect, this string goes through the eyelet and eventually pulls this string out of the marble thing, allows the marble to go through and have its effect. So the marble hits this and allows these two wires to come in contact once the marble falls down. So after the wires come in contact, this charged coil gun, which you can see in Tarantech's previous video, will shoot out a piece of a screwdriver head that looks like this, and that will hit the baseball, starting this effect. So once the screwdriver head hits the baseball goes through and will eventually fall all the way down and hit the hockey stick. So the hockey stick was hit, and the string pulls Thomas, the train, down this track, which is going to hit Salty, and that's going to hit the snooze button and turn off the alarm. And that turns off the alarm, which you can see right here.
So, in conclusion, this whole Rube Goldberg experiment starts with the alarm clock going off, and it ends with the alarm clock turning off. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Tanner Tech.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to ZS Robotics.